Welcome everyone, my name's Chef Rick. I'm the executive chef at the Datai Resort, and welcome to our permaculture garden. Today I'll be picking some of our beautiful local herbs from our garden to use in our recipe that we'll be making later on. We'll be doing a local trevally, which is a local fish, carpaccio. Welcome back from the garden to the kitchen. Here we are in our beach club at the Datai, and we are making today it's a very nice, it's a local fish. It's a silver trevally, very nice fish, white flesh, very nice to eat raw. So I've decided to make a silver trevally carpaccio with Kemangi, which is a sort of a local lemon basil, local mango, local cucumber, all local ingredients, cucumber, and Calamansi citrus, which we picked from the garden earlier. So this dish is a very light dish. I think the only two ingredients that are really not local is the Maldon salt, the sea salt, and a bit of olive oil that I will use to make the dressing. So what we do is we slice it thinly, and what we do is we line the mold. So as you can see, when you lift it, you just line it and you cover the whole bottom, so the mold acts as a sort of, it holds in that beautiful round shape. This is our Calamansi, of course, in Malaysia and in Philippines, Southeast Asia, it's widely used. We take the juice, it's got a lot of seeds, so you want to strain the juice so you don't have to bother, just juice it through a strainer. You take a little bit of the fresh juice, okay, and then a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, not too much. Season with sea salt, Maldon salt. Okay. Mix it up a little bit, mix it well. And you just pour it over the top. And then we have our garnishes here. We have the local mango, which you can dice. I put on the recipe. If you don't feel comfortable slicing it this thin, you can dice it. I've also done the same with the local cucumber. It adds crisps, and it adds texture to the dish. I made another dish, which is here, and so I arranged all the ingredients on top a little bit, so when you pick up a slice, you sort of eat a bit of each thing. So you have the mango slivers, the cucumber slivers, the torched ginger petal, the red chili, the Kemangi. I take again a little bit of the juice. It's just to finish again. You can put it before, you can do it after. And I just take a bit of olive oil, extra virgin, a bit of Maldon salt, and a bit of the Calamansi fresh citrus juice, and I just sprinkle it around. So that is the final dish. Local Langkawi Silver Trevally with mango, cucumber, Calamansi, and Kemangi, local lemon basil. Bon appetit, and hope you try it at home.